hope you are doing great. Today I am discussing with you an amazing software which is Yellow Leads Extractor software. This software is basically work on worldwide extract leads from different countries. This is the interface of this software. So let's start to explore this software with me. Okay. How can we use this software? Simple. From here you can select your country. Okay, from here you can select your country. There is a lot of countries mentioned in it. One thing which I want to clear with you is here you can see the websites link inside each of your country. Okay, so just click on that website of which you want to extract your data. So simply I want to extract my data from Pakistan lookup.pk. Okay, click on it. Here I am writing a keyword. Okay, just suppose I want to extract my data from a real estate agent in Pakistan. Okay. So here you can select your city, area, or neighborhood. Okay, or neighborhood. So I am writing here Karachi city. Okay, click on search button icon. Okay, as you can see, this finding me a lot of data. So what we have to do now, click on get data. Okay. This process will take time. Okay, so here you can see the process is started. And while the process is ongoing, let's discuss the software benefits. Okay, so extract leads from yellow pages quickly, saves time by automating data collection, generates targeted list for marketing, export data to Excel or CRM files. Okay, and the last one is, last but not the least, boost sales with more qualified leads. Okay, so these are the short benefits, very short benefits of this software. As you can see, address, state, country, phone numbers, okay, details, links. So now I am stop collection. Okay, now I am showing you how you can export your data. Okay, click on export button. File. Okay, name your file. Click on save button. This is the simple method, but I want to share another method with you. Press Ctrl A on your keyboard, select all of your data. Now press Ctrl C, which is copy your data. Okay, now comes to your Excel sheet, and here you can paste your data. Okay, so press Ctrl V. Okay, here you can see your data is exported. Okay, now let's talk about the settings of the software, which is important. Okay, click on settings button. Okay, so this is the settings option here. Now I want my data from in Excel file. Okay, you also collect your data in tab separated text file. But now I want my data from Excel file, so click on OK button and select all. Click on export button. Here you can see Excel file is shown here. Name your file. State data. Click on save button. Now I am showing you how this file will be saved. Okay, so here you can see the file which is saved in Excel sheet. Okay, so by this method you can also export your data. Okay, so hope you understand this software. This is very amazing for extracting appropriate leads. Okay, so use the software, and if you have still any queries regarding the software, so feel free to ask with me. We'll meet you in next video. Take care. Bye.